If x plus 2 is a factor of this particular expression, find a. So we have the following things given. So I'll call let g of x, the divisor, be x plus 2a, and p of x. So this is your divisor. No, this is your dividend. X cube plus 2 into x into 2a plus 3. Okay, these are your expressions. Since they're given factor, what should we use? Since they're given that g of x is a factor of p of x, what should we use and what is the concept that we have to use? Yes, we have to make use of correct factor theorem. What does the factor theorem tell? So when we have something to be a factor, the remainder will be 0 when division happens. So we can do find the remainder through a long method, or we can do the shorter version by using remainder theorem, which tells that find the remainder or find the 0 of the denominator, substitute that, and when you substitute that in the other expression, whatever output you get, that is your remainder. So this idea is what we have to use. So all I have to do is, the very first thing is find the 0 of g of x. Okay, so we'll start off with let t be the 0 of g of x. Okay, and so we have g of x, when it equated to t, the output will be 0. That's the whole idea of 0, right? Now it is nothing but t plus 2 into a is equal to 0. I'll transpose this or subtract minus 2 both the sides, minus 2a, and you will get this output. Now, as per factor theorem, what can we do? So as per factor theorem, so when I equate p of x to minus 2a, right? So when I substitute in place of x 2a, my output will be equal to 0. That's what factor theorem tells. So basically, we have minus 2a whole to the power of 5 minus 4 into a square into minus 2a whole to the power of 3 plus 2 into minus 2a plus 2a plus 3 should be equal to 0. And now we have to make use of exponents. First thing is the negative signs. Always handle the negative signs. Minus 2a to the power of an odd number. Any negative expression to the power of odd is what? To the power of odd is negative itself. So this will be minus 1 into 2a whole to the power of 5. Again, this is an extra step I'm doing so that the concept is very clear. The steps should not be missed out. So this line of thinking should be there. Next, a negative expression to the power of odd again. So you'll get a negative from this. So negative into negative is positive. If you guys want, you can write it as negative 1 into negative 4a square into 2a the whole cube. Plus 2 into minus 2a is minus 4a. Plus 2a plus 3 is equal to 0. And next we have minus 1 into, this is nothing but 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32a is a to the power of 5. So this is negative 32a to the power of 5. Negative into negative is positive. 4 into a square into 2a cube is nothing but 2 cube into a cube. 2, 4, 8. a to the power of 3. Minus 4a plus a is minus 2a. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Again, this particular expression I got with the help of a to the power of n into a to the power of m, which is a to the power of n. No, not that, sorry. Wait. This one, right? No. Whole, yeah. So I've used this. Where is it? Okay, here, last one. ab whole to the power of n is a to the power of n into b to the power of n. I use this formula to get your 8a cube. You have to cube whatever expression is over here. Cube, not square. And it's not 6, it's 8. All this is what you guys mess it up. 8 4s are 32, and this is the same expression as the first one, plus 32 a to the power of 5 minus 2a plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so clearly we have a lot of terms that are getting cancelled. So we have this and this getting cancelled, and we have 2a plus 3 being equal to 0. So how do you solve this? All we have to do is subtract 3 both the sides. So this and this will get cancelled. Minus 2a is equal to minus 3. And then we have minus 2 both the sides. And so we have a to be equal to plus 3 by 2. Is that the question? Find a. That's it. Okay, guys. I hope I didn't do any mistakes. Okay, so again, the funda is all about factor theorem. Whenever you look at the word factor, you have the answer, right? So don't do silly mistakes. Don't do conceptual mistake. Conceptual mistake actually should not be happening, because as a whole, the concept is very little from this chapter. It's one of the difficult chapters, right? But the concept is only this much. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? The first one is almost a diagram. Not almost a diagram. Yeah, matlab, it is a diagram. Okay, mainly, yeah, identity you guys have to understand and remember and all of that. Okay, so that is your answer.